Bada Ghagara Waterfall is a stunning natural attraction located at a distance of 9 kilometers from Keonjhar town in Odisha. Being a perennial origin of the waterfall, there is a dam that has been constructed on the downstream side. The surrounding flora gives the already captivating waterfall a subtle touch of magic, which is why so many people come here to pass the time. It is one of the prominent waterfalls in the region, and is known for its picturesque beauty and tranquil surroundings. The waterfall enjoys the unique characteristic of 100 feet in height inside the dense forest area.